Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca, coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2006 Freightliner M2 dump truck. It is a Langfab steel box, 371,550 kilometers and 14,658 engine hours. It has a Mercedes MBE 4000 engine, 450 horsepower, has a Jake brake and full diff locks, an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, FRO 16210B. The front axle rating is 20,000 pounds on SteerTech axle model AX123197 on spring suspension. The rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on axle models RD2145 and RR2145 on Hendrickson HN46 suspension. The rear axle ratio is 3.73. Front tires are 425 65R 22.5. The rears are 11R 24.5. on aluminum rims all the way around, inside and out. And it does have a 175-inch wheelbase. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. Then I'm going to come up close for a tighter inspection. Now we are referring to this one as a bit of a handyman special in the sense that there's some work involved with the box. Mechanically, the truck is quite sound. We're going to start the engine for you and you're going to hear that. We're going to lift the box in just a little bit and I'll point out some of the issues on the box when I get a little bit closer. So you can see some significant rust. The box is going to have to be sandblasted, painted, and it will require some repair. I'm going to point those out again as they get a little bit closer. We're going to lift it up and show you inside as well. Now let's come up and take a look at the unit. Come right up to the grill here. That's in good shape. I can see that. The bumper's in good shape. I'll follow it all the way along. So the body of the unit is quite good. Not seeing any accidents or any issues with the paint. And again, mechanically it's quite sound. Now the front hood looks good, with the exception of a cut here. Looks like something was installed on here and came off. And looks like we've got a bit of a crack here. Let's step back, take a look at the fuel tank here. It is in good shape and the first step has got a slight dent in it. And let's just pan up the cab. It looks to be in good condition, just a few minor scratches. And the mirrors are in good condition. Now let's just walk along the body here. I want to get a full view for you, so I'll be back a little bit. And I'm not seeing any major repair issues on the outside and this side, other than of course it needs the sandblasting. Let's get to the rear of the unit. And I'm going to come up close to the rear first, right up to the pintle hook. And I'm just going to pan the condition of the gate. You can see there's a hole here. Looks like it was shot with a gun. And there's another one here as well. So it's thinning here. Now we're on the driver's side of the unit. I'm just going to come to the very rear of it. You can see where the step is bent in. It was hit and it's dented in here. So this section should be cut out and replaced if they're going to paint the unit. I'll step back and just follow the box along. And let's take a look at the cab here on the driver's side. Fuel tank is good, steps look to be in good shape. And let's just go up the cab here. That looks to be pretty good too. Just going to check out the mirrors, no cracks or chips. And the front hood looks good. We're going to start up the unit and lift up the box. Liftgate went up. Now the inside of the unit, the plywood is coming out. That will have to be replaced. And some of the steel is lifting here in the back. I don't want to get too close under this gate. You can see here where it's lifting. Probably cost a good $4,000, I would imagine, to do the whole box. And let's come underneath the unit. I'll just start here on the driver's side. I'll come up between axles 2 and 3. Come right up to the suspension. And let's just follow the drive all the way through. And you can see we have air ride in the cab. And we'll follow the hoist up and give you a view underneath the box. I'm just going to go around one more time, go to the other side of the unit and do the same thing, just to give you another angle. I'm going to go inside the unit now. Let's take a look inside the cab. Then I'm going to start up the unit again and we'll take a closer look at the engine. There's a seat cover on the driver's side, so I'm not sure the condition of the seat. Passengers looks good. There's a small rip in the front. I'm not seeing any chips or cracks in the windshield. And let's come right up to the panel here. Very simple panel. There's the kilometers. Again, 371,550. And let's take a look under the hood. there you have it. Another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.